Okay, so for some reason it won't let me delete videos, so I have to be even quicker now. I've got 27 minutes left. Thankfully, shotguns there's not that many of. We might be able to get down to LMGs, probably not though, so we'll probably have to wait until I can figure out how to delete stuff, because for some reason, like, I know how to delete stuff, it's just not letting me. Like, the delete button is not working. Great. It doesn't look like anything wants to work. Come on. For real. It's almost been a minute. Fine, I guess we'll go from the bottom. Double barrel. Please, for the love of God. No, there we go. So here's the double barrel. Yep. Good stuff, right. And I'm revolving. Come on, please work. Please load. Oh my God. Okay, so this video might be like 20 minutes long just because every single fucking shotgun doesn't want to load fast. Go. See, there we go. Okay, good stuff. Good times. Alright, we're getting there. Ooh, we ain't even done with the Graciado yet. Come on, please load. Please load. Alright, there we go. So this is Graciado. Model 680. Times R90. There we go. See, now we're moving through faster. R90. Boom. R9 shotgun. Combat shotgun. Boom. Jack 20. Okay, see, with this speed we might actually be able to get the LMGs done, maybe. There's quite a few of them now, so. And yes, we're doing these in order. Oh well. I guess we're back up. 75. Please work this time. Because we have the rarest blueprint for it, and we have gold on it, and we have one of the rarest charms on it. And the hammer blueprint with gold with the Task Force 141 charm on it. Not one of the rarest blueprints. It's the rarest. It's the rarest item in the entire game. Fact check it. I don't care. Power. With the godforsaken, pretty much max damage power. It's true super. Which, this is the only other Cold War gun I'm pretty sure I'll get golden. Because it's missing one camo, I need not like 8 more or 7 more kills with it. I think 9 more. Yeah, 9 more. There's the Origin, Gala. I need this to hurry up. I'll make a video on that actually after, or way later. Okay, finally the last shotgun, the Jack 12. Alright, anyway, thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.